Topic 9, sequences 9.1, the method of differences. Fill in the missing terms for each of the following sequences. So if we look at the first one, we've got 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. To get from 2 to 4, we'd add on 2. 4 to 8 would be add on 4. So add 2, add 4, add 8, add 16. So one of the ways that we could see it would be to add on the previous term. Or another way to get from each term, a simpler one, would be to multiply each term by 2. So to get from 128 to the next one, we're going to add on 128. Or the same thing would be doubling it to get 256. And then the next one is going to be 512. For the second sequence, to get from 103 to 101, we're going to take away 2. From 101 to 99, take away 2. 99 to 97, take away 2. Take away 2. So the next term is going to be 93, and then 91 fits with our pattern, and then take away 2 gets us to 89. The third one then, 42 to 50. To get from 42 to 50, you add on 8. 50 to 55 is add on 5. 55 to 57 is add on 2. Now what we can see about this sequence, it goes 8, 5, 2. So we're taking away 3 each time. So then we would take away 1 to give 56. Then take away 4 to give 52. And then taking away 7 should and does get us to 45. The bottom sequence then, to get from 15 to 23, you would add on 8. To get from 23 to 38, you add on 15. From 38 to 61, we add on 23. And what we can see is actually we're adding on the previous term. So for 23, to get from 23 to 38, you're adding on 15. So 15 and 23 gives us 38. 23 and 38 then gives us 61. So what we're doing is we're adding on the previous term. So 8 is going to be the term before the 15, because 8 and 15 was 23. The difference between 8 and 15 is 7, which means the previous term is 7. So go 7, 8, 7 and 8 are 15, 8 and 15 are 23, 15 and 23 are 38, 38 and 61 then, the next term in the sequence is going to be 99. So we've looked at the differences to see if we can identify the patterns, and now we need to describe them. So the first one is start with a 2 and then double each time. And the second one was start with 103 and then subtract 2 each time. The third one, start with 42, and then what we do, we add 8 and then subtract 3 from each difference that we're adding on. The last one, we add the 2 previous terms. And that was starting with 7 and 8. Okay.